Our engineers changed the world, and their brilliant successors today are still doing just that. Their names ring down in history. Matthew Boulton and James Watt, who brought steam power to the world. Abraham Darby, who first smelted iron with coal and whose grandson built the first iron bridge anywhere, still standing in Shropshire. Richard Arkwright, who transformed textiles with the first modern factories. Thomas Telford, the great engineer behind the bridges and roads that linked England, Wales, Scotland and Ireland. George Stephenson, the railway engineer, whose rocket is in this museum and which once knocked down and killed a member of the cabinet. That is not a precedent I'm keen to see repeated, although sometimes it can be tempting. Many others, obviously not least Isambard Kingdom Brunel, voted by the public as the second greatest Briton ever, behind only Winston Churchill. So this is a story the country wants to celebrate, and one that we should celebrate, but it's not just part of our past. We are still very much at it today, with Arup, based here in London, the firm that the world turns to when engineers are needed for extraordinary structures, from the Sydney Opera House to Beijing's new railway station. Rolls-Royce, who make the best jet engines on the planet. Or the engineers right now working under the streets of this city to build the incredible Crossrail project, which is actually as dramatic as anything done by their Victorian predecessors. But engineering today means so much more. Its bounds become wider and wider still. We have just been, the party leaders, all meeting some young engineers whose expertise spans environmental engineering, biomedical engineering, sports engineering, chemical engineering, and so many other areas as well. But the key to this is to answer the question that we've had so many times, which is, what is it you're going to do, O politician, to raise the status of engineering in our country? Now, this isn't the whole answer, but it is a really good answer. And we're here because we believe in the inventiveness and the genius of the British people. We want young people leaving school today to see engineering for the exciting, dynamic profession that it is. Because in many ways, engineers are the real revolutionaries, the ones who take society forward, who create the technologies and the structures which carry us into new worlds. They're the ones who will find the ways to overcome climate change, to answer challenges and create new industries, ones that haven't even been thought of yet. That's why we need this prize, to urge people on, to encourage daring, open minds to new possibilities.